So look, here we go. These are the British or English or maybe wild bluebells that we love here in our UK woodlands. Typically they're slightly darker blue than the Spanish bluebells, probably less flowers on them, and they tend to kind of go across to the one side of the flower stem. You've got, I don't know, 5 or 6 flowers there leaning over to the one side. And if you compare that, here's a equally gorgeous but slightly different Spanish bluebell, and as you can see there's a lot more flowers. They're slightly paler blue, got a little hint of white around the kind of the bottom of the bell. They're rather gorgeous, but they get much bigger, as you can see, and there's nothing wrong in that. The concern is that they're going to be cross-pollinating with our native British bluebells, and they could end up dominating the kind of the balance that we have, you know, and the kind of the integrity of our indigenous bluebells. So I'm starting to pull up these larger, more vigorous Spanish bluebells from our garden, and I'm going to go and do that just now to show you what they look like. They've got bigger leaves as well as bigger flowers, but just wanted to show you the flowers, the difference there first. Let's go and dig one up. Right, here we go. So here's some of the Spanish bluebells. I've been trying to dig these up for a couple of years, and I must say they are lovely, and they look great against that kind of pale yellow of the heuchera, and we've got these polyanthus bayeux as well. But they've got to come up, so I've just been going around with my trowel here. You can see that, just you've got to go down quite deep, and I think we've probably loosened enough soil there now. Let's just see if he'll come out. So I'll go down to the bottom of the leaves there. I kind of failed. There's one bulb there, and the bulb is twice the size, at least I would say, of a normal bluebell bulb, and it's quite a bit paler as well. British bluebell bulbs tend to be a bit darker than that. Let's see if I can get, I think there's another one down there somewhere. Sound effects. There you are. So I think that's got them all. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, he's a big boy. So much more vigorous, equally beautiful, but they've got to go.